Hey boys and girls, today we're going to finish up with the skills that go with the story, Mole and the Baby Bird. Let's start with our daily fix-it. Try to find 2 mistakes in each sentence. We have cake at the party yesterday. Number 8, wow, he jumped so high. The word have is used in present tense, but the word yesterday tells us that the party was not in the present, but in the past. The past tense would be had. We had cake at the party yesterday. And that needs a period at the end of the sentence. Number 8, wow, he jumped so high. He begins the next sentence, so it should begin with the capital H, and we can put a period or an exclamation at the end. See if you can help me with these rhymes. The words below are would, loved, door, and should. It rhymes with floor. Did you pick door? It rhymes with shoved. Loved. It rhymes with could. Should. It rhymes with should. Would. Help me read words in the sentence in context. The hound never took his eyes off the little rabbit. I enjoy watching the clever clown make the crowd giggle. I see a lot of words that say ow, as in hound, as in clown, crowd. Remember, OU and OW can say the owl sound. Help me fill in the blanks. I blank playing out in the snow yesterday. Choose a word. If you pick loved, I loved playing out in the snow yesterday, you were right. I want to run right out the blank and go play. The best answer would be I want to run right out the door. Did you get it right? But I blank do homework and feed the cat too. But I should do homework and feed the cat too. Did you pick should? Stay in or go out? What would you do? And that is the end of our skills for this week. Great job, guys.